Hello, hopefully all of you will be good and enjoying your life. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. In this video, I will tell you about survey data analysis in SPSS. So first of all, we will start with the conversion of strings into numeric as per the Likert scale. What are the strings? Strings are basically the responses in the form of sentences that has been filled by the respondents during the survey. These are the responses. Someone has respond about recruiting, developing team that I have no prior knowledge. Third one responded that I have knowledge on the subject and I use it occasionally. Third one responded that I have knowledge and I use frequently. These are all of the responses. Okay, now I have to convert all of these responses into the numerics as per the Likert scale. Why we are converting the responses into a Likert scale? Because the SPSS do not translate or do not use the sentences. The SPSS use the numerics for the data analysis. Okay, so I have no prior knowledge. I have given is 1 as per Likert scale. Some knowledge 3. Have knowledge occasionally used in 6 months 5. Have knowledge used frequently once in a week, and have a knowledge used every day. The Likert scale has been given value upon 9. The Likert scale values are mostly 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, or you can use it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as whatever convenient to you. So this is the way how we will I will give the numerical values to the sentences. Now how we will convert that strings into numerics? I suggest you people to select the strongest string in the data, because if you selected the smallest one, there will be a problem occurs. What problem occurs? Look at this, an example, simple example, that if someone is saying that I want to convert the male and female into strings, these are the strings into numerics. He said that I gave male 1 and I am giving female 2. Okay, so what will be the problem occurs if he selected the male is smallest string as compared to female? If he select male and convert the male into a string 1, what will happen? The male has also been used in the female, so the female become fe1. So this is the problem, and that's why I'm saying you to select the longest string. Initially I'm going to select this string that I have knowledge on the subject and use occasionally. I haven't used in 6 months, so control C. Now we will use the replace, that we want to replace this string with as per in the direction with the 5. Okay, so I write there 5, and then I say replace all of them have been replaced. 11,435 responses have been converted. Okay, look at this, there comes the 5. Then I will use smallest than this but not smallest one. Okay, I will use it once in a week, so control C. The numeric value associated with this string on the Likert scale is 7. So I'm going to again to the Excel and say that replace this string with 7. Okay. In short, the summary is convert the smallest string by the end of all data. Okay, or all data conversions. Now I'm going to check if there is any other longest string, because I'm going to convert it first. Okay, there's nothing longest one, so I am selecting this one. I have some knowledge but do not feel confident in using it. The numeric associated with this string is 3, and I'm going to Excel again, control, and I'm going to replace it with 3. Okay, so replace with, you can write here 3. I replaced all of them. Okay, now what's remaining behind? I have knowledge on the subject and use it every day. So control C, replace it, write it here, and then I have and use every day. What's the you can say this one? I have knowledge and used every day. So this is 9 basically. Okay, so I have write 9, replace this string with the 9. Okay, have it done. And the last one is I have no prior knowledge. We have given it 1 as per the Likert scale. Okay, so I will write here 1 and replace all. So thus all of the data you can see there, the 20,464 strings has been replaced. Look at this, all of this data has been converted into the string. So this is the method how we will convert the string into numerics. Now the second point, conversion of variable name heading with the quotes. Why we are doing this? Because when there is a space between you can say the variable names, SPSS will not accept that. So there are two options. Either we will have to put the underscore between the gap between the space between the two words of the variable names, or we will have to convert the variable name into some kind of quotes. So these are the variable names, just like recruiting a developing team. I have inserted the underscore between recruiting and developing, and I have input the underscore between developing and the team. This is one of the method, and the better method than this is you can select this one as recruiting development team and paste it somewhere in the file with yourself, okay, like this, and say that I am giving this variable name as variable v1. Then for the second one, building designing team, you can select this one, okay, and you can say that I am giving it to the variable code v2. So this is another way, and then replace it, just like convert this the name of the variables into quotes. Now look at this, I have converted v1 and v2 column, these two column, and rest you can convert the rest of column same in this scenario. So the third step is check for mistakes and missing data. Why mistakes occur? Mistakes occur when I have performed all of the conversion of the strings into numerics by using a replace command. So few people, when do it manually, there are huge chances of mistakes occur, because in the place when you will have to replace some sentence with the 5, and the 5 occurred twice, so it become 55. That's a mistake, okay, and we will have to remove that mistake. And what we will have to do, missing data, I'm going again back to the Excel sheet. Okay, one thing more, to perform check for the mistake and the missing data, we will have to export over this Excel file into the SPSS. I'm going to tell you that how we can export over this Excel file into the SPSS. So importing the file, I have opened the SPSS. I'm going to file, okay, then click on the open, then click on data. Okay, so upon data, it will become that which data we will have to select. So I'm going to select my file, so this is the folder containing my file, but it's not appearing there. I will have to select from there Excel. Okay, so this become the Excel file become there. I will have to select, and just by clicking the data will be imported there. Look at this, this is the file. Okay, now what I would have to do, click OK, and the whole data will be imported to the SPSS sheet. To do, you will have to click on this SPSS icon and then select this. So this is the file that recruiting developing team. This is the column I have given name it v1. This is the column building designing part given name it 2. Okay, so this is the way that how we have imported over data. Now I'm coming to the point that how what is the way that we can check whether or there is any mistake in the data or not. So go to descriptive statistics, then go to frequencies. Okay, in the frequencies you say that I am going to check the frequency of recruiting developing team, and select all of the you can say the column for which you have to analyze your data. Okay, then go to statistics. So in the statistics tab, you have to select only minimum and maximum, because the minimum of the Likert scale is 1 and the maximum of the Likert scale is 9. And if there is any value that is greater than 9, or the value is 0, it means that definitely there is a mistake. Okay, but okay, click frequency. Okay, look at this. Wow, there is no missing data in my no missing cell, no missing data in my whole survey. The minimum is 1, my data is perfectly good, and the maximum is 9. Oh wow, that's also good. Okay, let's suppose I'm doing intentionally I'm deleting this. Okay, I'm deleting this. Okay, so here comes a dot. Now if I'm going to analyze my data, go to descriptive statistics, frequencies. Again, I'm checking the statistics. Okay, and I've checked on minimum, maximum. Okay, good, fine. Then click OK. So here come the problem. Yup. They saying that building design product has a one cell that is in which the value is missing. Okay, so they're just saying that building design product has one missing. I'm going to the SPSS file again, and what we will have to do, we will have to check the building design product one by one, and where comes the missing value, here comes the missing value. Okay, this is one of the method, and if there is any value that has been written as 0 by mistake, so what will you will have to press control. Now the fourth point is that how to deal with the mistakes and the missing data. For the mistakes, we will intentionally make a mistake, and I'm going to tell you that how we will replace it, and what's the method that how we can transform the missing data into some average value. So now I'm going to do an intentionally a mistake at a very, you can say, it this in this I replaced it this 5 by you can say 5. So this is a mistake. How we will identify that? We will go to analyze descriptive statistics, frequencies. Again, I will search all of them. So it will say that in one of them, okay, look at the building design product, it has one missing value and one value is 55. So now how we will do to cope with it? I'm go to again this column, that this is the basic issue. So I will search one by one that where is the mistake, where is the missing value. Oh, okay, this is the missing value, and now again in the same column there is the mistake. So then the mistake is we got from the reports that maximum value is 55, but the maximum value, or the possible maximum value should be 9. Okay, so what we will have to do, we will again go to come to this value. First select the column. Once the column has been selected, then press the control F. After pressing the control F, the by mistake 55 has been written, and now where is written, because there are almost 3700 rows there. So find the next, we got there 55. Okay, don't replace it with the 5 1 9 whatsoever, don't replace it. Okay, just you will have to do delete it. Okay, now what I will do, I will do the transformation of this. We will transform, go to the transform, then go to replace the missing values. The missing values are in this column building design product. Just only select this variable. Okay, now this say that using which method I will have to transform the data. So the most commonly method is using the series mean. Okay, and this method is used when our data is less than 15% missing. If our data is greater than missing is 15%, then we will have to again collect the data. Okay, then press OK. Upon pressing the OK, look at this. The value we have replaced was about, I think, so the value missing was in building design product with the serial number 7, and then it was again with another one value. I think that was in merely some 100. I thought that again it was 100. Okay, it was 119th. Okay, it SPSS will make a column by the end of this whole data, and building design product 1. Look at this, it's the value 7 number. SPSS is given it value 4 automatically by taking the mean of all the data. And then if we go again back to 119, okay, look at this 119, it has been given again the value of 4. So SPSS has replaced both of the values by taking mean of the whole data. I hope you have liked this video. Please comment if you have any questions. My WhatsApp number and my email has already been provided in this description of this video. Please subscribe my channel and hit like button. Thanks a lot for watching this lengthy video. Bye bye. Goodbye.